Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll explore 5 cozy hobbies perfect for single mothers seeking relaxation and joy. These manageable activities offer a great escape while balancing parenting and personal time. Let's dive in. First up is reading. Whether you prefer mysteries or novels, a good book offers a flexible escape and is perfect for unwinding during quiet moments. Next, let's talk about knitting or crochet. These crafts are not only soothing, but also offer a creative outlet. You can create beautiful, handmade items while spending quality time with your kids. It's a win-win for both relaxation and bonding. Baking or cooking is another fantastic hobby. Trying out new recipes or making delicious treats can be incredibly rewarding. Involving your children in the process makes it a fun and engaging family activity. Plus, you get to enjoy the tasty results. Gardening is a wonderfully calming hobby that lets you connect with nature. Whether you have a small balcony or a backyard, cultivating plants can be therapeutic and satisfying. It's a great way to spend time outdoors and enjoy the beauty of your own little green space. Finally, journaling or creative writing. Writing down your thoughts or crafting stories can be a deeply therapeutic and creative way to unwind. It's perfect for reflecting on your day or exploring new ideas in a peaceful setting. So there you have it. 5 cozy hobbies for single mothers to add warmth and joy to your life. Remember, taking time for yourself is important, and these activities are great for recharging. If you enjoyed the video, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.